Today, I'm going to show you how I rebuilt a app valued at about $8 million. I'll show you how, and I'll show you the stats in a minute. Is Lovable good or not good for SEO? It depends how you optimize it, right? So if you're gonna, if you're gonna build a website with Lovable, then you just optimize it in the same way. The reason that most people fail when it comes to ranking a Lovable website or, a website like this is that they're not actually focusing on SEO. They're not building backlinks. They're not optimizing the page. Let me show you an example. So for example, if we actually type in the keyword SEO ROI calculator, the people are typing into Google here. You can actually see that our page built with bold.new, which is very similar to Lovable, is ranking number one for that keyword, right? And so when you're doing this process, you really want to make sure that you optimize the page. Now, if you look at how we've optimized it for SEO, what we've done is we've put the keyword inside the top of the title tag, the title right here. We've also included some keyword optimized content around the page as well as the calculator. We've matched the search intent perfectly. And then also the other thing here is like, don't just focus on SEO, but also focus on optimizing and converting that traffic.